Yes. Oh, my fingers are cramping right now. Oh. Why does it keep... Oh. It'd be so evil right now. I might... What? Evil how? What?
Come on. Bad, 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 bad boy. Yeah. You make me feel so good.
Bad, 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 bad boy. Good. Bird Beach. Coming in with hot jams tonight. I hope you all are ready for a radio full of bad, 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 bad boys. I didn't want that hand on me, though. Oh! Oh. Oh, yo! Shadow! Thank you for the subby, dude. You fucking legend. Oh. Oh, you gifted a sub. Oh, that was Raven. Raven, you fucking legend. I'm sorry, it's a bad heart, but you're stuck with it because I love y'all. I'm not risking that. Not even for a gift sub. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh man. Bad bitch. Rose goes. Habits. Was a bad bitch. Tragic. Oh. Oh. Get on there. Okay, I've got kind of a secret path for the rocks right now. That I'm kind of fucking with, you know? Like a secret little plan. Okay, chill, chill, chill. Right? Like we can relaxedly grab rocks. Yup, yup, yup. Chill, relax. Very demure. Oh, yup, yup, yup. Oh, very good. Oh, very good. Slide. Grab. Yes. Relaxedly let go. And grab the next rock. Yes. Grab. Grab. Yes. Relaxedly go up. Oh, but we can't quite reach. It's gonna have to be a jump. Oh, fuck. Jesus. I'm so nervous. Oh. And grab. Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh, baby. Oh. Yes. Yes. Oh. Okay, pausing because I need a little breaky poo. My fingers hurt. Back from the ads. I got dinner. Ooh, Umbreon, what'd you get, dude? I shall now be ad free for the next month. Let's go. We love ad free. No in Spanish. Esports. The quit button says rage quit. It does. This song is not the vibe. I love this song, but this is not the vibe. Nope. Nope. No. Yeah. Chicken and potato curry with some roti. Oh, man. That sounds phenomenal, bro. That sounds so good, dude. What am I supposed to be grabbing onto? Is it going to be this bush over here? Oh, that's scary. That's scary, bro. I don't know if I like that. Oh, okay. I can't really confirm that. I can't confirm that. That's scary. I do not like it. I don't see anything up here, though. Am I supposed to go down a little bit? Oh my god, I gotta go down and over, bro. I don't like this one. Oh, I got so lucky with that shit. Oh my god. Not today, Satan. Not today. Oh, I made that river my bitch. Okay. Are you fucking serious
Streamer
right now?
smells bad.
What's that smell? Was it you?
Thank you, Raven. He likes this 2-bit. Okay. It's got to be the other hand. I got to reach up like that. Yep. 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 Oh my god. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh. Yes.